We are live. It is, let's see, what do we got here? Let's Facebook catch up with this. I'm going to bring up the topic. Wait a minute. Okay. Hello, everyone. Hello, Facebook land. This is Bill Paravano, the knee pain guru. Today we are going to, there was a comment from Trish on my Facebook page. And this was after it was an email that I sent out the other day regarding how your knee pain affects kids. And it was basically a story about my father, my daughter's grandfather, who has knee pain, and we take a trip up to spend time in Ohio with her grandfather, but her grandfather's knees hurt so much that she can't even play with her grandfather. So it's like a 500 plus mile trip, and being able to play with her grandfather is a big deal. However, grandfather's in pain. He's can't get down on the floor, can't get up from the floor. Has had several surgeries on the knee. Have had the Synvisc injections, take drugs, prescription drugs to numb the pain, but it's not really working. So you have this situation where he's very stuck in pain. And what ends up happening is there is the conventional mentality of continuing on this drug shot surgery because doctors know best. And when something is broken or torn, believe me, I'm not anti-doctor. I'm just believe doctors need to know and play their role, which is if something is broken or torn, they're the person to go to. They're the person that can help and support the knee joint when something is broken or torn, if the patient chooses to do so. However, when there's nothing broken or torn and you're just talking about pain, that's not necessarily a doctor's role or what they understand on how to do best. So, back to my father. Is not open to any alternative therapies. And one of the things that I wrote in the email was how the definition of an expert is someone who lives more than 50 miles away from home. So I live in North Carolina, over 500 miles away. In North Carolina, I'm the knee pain guru. In Ohio, I'm Billy and I don't know shit. So, with that being said, there's a situation where my father isn't open to other alternatives. My granddaughter can't play with her grandfather. And this leads to Trish's question. What are you doing to help him? And one thing that I've learned over the past 2 decades, and it goes, is that the person that needs the help has to be the one open to getting help. There is no way around this. And I have spun myself out trying to figure out how to help and save everybody that comes down the pike that has knee pain. And a lot of people have these blinders on that that's where they're at, and they need the surgery, they need the drug, they need the shot, they need to go through what they need to go through and experience that before they get to a place of being open to what I have to offer. Because what I have to offer, a natural and holistic approach that doesn't involve drug shots and surgery, is not for everybody. So I can offer it. I can offer it to you, Trish. I could offer it to my father. I can offer it to thousands of people on the internet. People that I meet on the street, I can offer it. But invariably, they have to be open to receiving that gift. They have to be open to receiving what I have to offer. And if they are not, it's no hard feelings. It doesn't bother me. And that's what they need. That's their path. They need to suffer if they need to suffer longer, if they need a knee replacement surgery and get to the place where there's nothing further I can do. then that's what they need to go through. And I need to be okay with that. So that's something that I learned. I probably didn't articulate that in the email, and that's my bad. I thought I did by saying, when I go to Cleveland, I'm just Billy and I don't know shit. So that's really it. And what's been up for me lately, big lessons for me is boundaries and understanding that every time I'm off center, I'm not in a place, meaning I'm not balanced. I'm not taking care of myself. I can't be there to take care of anybody else. I can't be there to help and support anybody else. Just like they have in the, when you're in a airplane, and they go through the taxi and they say, in the case of loss of cabin pressure, the masks will drop out of the overhead bins. And make sure that you put on your mask first before you help anybody else. Be it minors, be it seniors, whoever it is. You have to put your mask on first before you help anybody else. So Trish, hopefully that gives a better understanding of where I'm coming from in terms of helping people with knee pain. Because, like I said, what I have to offer is not for everyone. But for those that are open to it, those that can hear my message, those that are willing to follow the steps, they get amazing results. And that's the really cool part. Because I could take all that energy that I would normally put to people who don't want to be helped and dragging them with me going, really, pay attention to this. This will help you. This will make your knees feel better. If I took all that energy and put it into those people that are open, that I can go, just start creating pain pattern interrupts in your knees. Just start reducing inflammation in your body and in your knees. Just start changing your mindset in terms of sabotaging yourself and throwing your body back into the pain tension loop. And the body heals. And they're out of pain. And they're living the life that they want to live. And that's exciting. Because those are the people that I want to help. Those are the people that I want to hold that vision for their life, that they could have something way more than just thinking about how it's, what's the word? They're playing the game not to lose, as opposed to playing the game to win. To have this long, slow slide into the twilight of their life, as their knees get worse, their movement gets worse, the pain gets worse, they see no options, they see nothing that can help them. It makes no sense for me to hold space for those types of people. I want to help the people that want help, that are open to be helped, the people that can hear my words, that can see my vision of what I've gone through myself and what I've helped thousands of clients over the past 18 and a half years with. So Trish, hopefully that helps. I think I could tag you in this video or something, but that'll give you an idea of where I'm coming from. So if you're seeing this video, share with your friends, your family members, anybody you know limping around with knee pain, and get the message out that there is an alternative to prescription drugs, pain-killing shots, or surgery for your knees in eliminating knee pain. So thank you so much. This is Bill Paravano, the Knee Pain Guru, going to sign off for today. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Make it a great one.